The interactive visualization area in StarDrop makes it quick and easy to create a chart to summarize the data in your dataset. Simply select a column in your dataset to create a histogram summarizing the distribution of the data in that column. If you select multiple columns by holding down the Control key, increasingly complex charts will be created to summarize the data in those columns. Alternatively, you can select the chart type you would like to create from the Charts menu in the bottom left of the visualization area. You can then pick the properties you'd like to plot from the menus on the axes. You can add additional datasets to your chart using the Choose Chart Data button and change the order in which they're plotted using the arrows to the right of the list of datasets. In the next video, we'll cover the many different options for formatting your chart using additional properties.